Discover with Let You Know. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Hope you have enjoyed the first part of the mysteries of brain. In the video for today, we will delve into the second segment of the mysteries surrounding the brain. So, keep watching as we explore the most intriguing mysteries of the brain. Free will. Free will is a philosophical and scientific mystery that has puzzled scholars for centuries. While we have the subjective experience of making choices, scientists still don't fully understand whether our actions are predetermined by the laws of nature or whether we have the ability to make choices independent of our brain and body. One interesting finding is that our brain seems to make decisions before we consciously experience them, suggesting that our sense of free will may be an illusion. Language. Language is a uniquely human ability, but how our brain processes language is still a mystery. One interesting finding is that different regions of the brain are responsible for different aspects of language processing. For instance, the Broca's area for speech production and the Wernicke's area for language comprehension. Another interesting story related to language is that of Jeannie, a girl who was kept in isolation and deprived of language input during her critical period of language development. Despite receiving intensive language therapy later in life, Jeannie never fully developed the ability to use language fluently. This incident sheds light on the significance of early language exposure for language development. Neural networks. The brain is composed of a vast network of neurons that work together to create our thoughts, feelings, and actions. However, how exactly these neural networks operate and communicate with each other is still a mystery. One interesting finding is that different neural networks are activated depending on the task we are performing. Some of the examples are default mode network for daydreaming and self-reflection, and the executive control network for focused attention and goal-directed behavior. Brain plasticity. The brain has an incredible ability to change and adapt throughout our lives, a process known as brain plasticity. This allows our brain to reorganize itself in response to new experiences and challenges. One interesting story related to brain plasticity is that of London taxi drivers, who are required to memorize the complex street layout of the city. Studies have shown that these drivers have larger hippocampi, suggesting that their brain has undergone structural changes in response to their learning and memory demands. Consciousness after death. The final mystery of the brain is whether consciousness can survive after death. While there is no scientific evidence to support this idea, some people believe that the brain is not the sole source of consciousness, and that it may be possible for our consciousness to persist in some form after we die. However, the scientific consensus is that consciousness is an emergent property of the brain and that it is not possible for it to exist independent of the brain. Conclusion. In conclusion, the brain is an incredibly complex organ that is full of mysteries that scientists are still trying to unravel. We've discussed 10 of the most intriguing mysteries of the brain, including consciousness, sleep, memory, perception, emotions, free will, language, neural networks, brain plasticity, and consciousness after death. While we may not have all the answers yet, Continued research and exploration of these mysteries will undoubtedly lead to new insights into how our brain works and how we can improve our overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Keep your curiosity alive. If you enjoyed my channel, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing to receive similar content in the future. Looking forward to seeing you again.